This is Frank Burke with Dynasoar Rocketry, and today I've got out an old kit that I did probably 4 or 5 years ago of a Klingon Battlecruiser, and this was made with 6mm Depron with several pieces laminated for the wingtip pods and a single 24mm tube up the middle to with some reinforcing to support the neck, and then basically kind of like what the Estes rocket kit did, but bigger. It's got a KF airfoil step on the bottom to stiffen the wing a little bit primarily and hide the servo wires, but it gives it a little bit of extra glide performance, I think. This one has a very thin, like a 64th inch polycarbonate or Lexan clear vertical fin for stability, and then the front area is flat, of course, because the rail buttons are on the bottom, and if this was rounded like the model from the movies, it wouldn't be able to clear the launch rail, so that's really the main concession to scale accuracy. This is about a 24-inch wingspan, and about 30 inches long, and weighs about 11 ounces, ready to fly for 24mm E6 rocket motors. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Taking off, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you follow it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much the same color as this guy. That's a nice gentle boost though. Alright, take it off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, it's just the same color as this guy. You guys are off the Alright, taking off 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.